Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean from Space Shark Studios, and I'm here to teach you visual scripting in Godot 3.1. Let's get started. So you've downloaded Godot, you've unzipped the executable, now you're ready to go. So what do you do first? Well, you have to make a project. You have a couple different choices here. You can use a template, which is a great way to start. They have lots and lots of pre-built little games that you can try, including their own little platformer. You just click it, download it, and then install. You can browse to wherever you want to hold it. I have a special drive just for this. So let's call this my new platformer 2D. Oops. Create folder named my new platformer 2D. So just to let you know, you have to create a new folder if you're doing it this way. Install and edit. And it will go ahead and create the project for you. And boom, you now have a brand new working project. Just to let you know, these projects are going to be made in all sorts of different versions of Godot, so you're going to have to watch. As you can see, this one got converted over, but it looks like it worked. But you don't want to use a template, right? You want to make your own. So, as you can see, I went and removed it. So you just click and click remove. But you want to make a new project. So as I said, first off, you have to find the folder that you want. So I always put it in my Godot's project. And then you want to make your new project. So my first new project. As I said before, you need a new folder to be able to do this. It won't just create the folder for you unless you click create folder. It'll add it all on. You can choose which rendering platform you want to use. I'm just going to stick with the newer one. And then you click create. And all of a sudden, you have a new project. That's it. That's as easy as it is. So you just made your own project, and we are going to be working from this brand new project in the next video. Thank you for watching Space Shark Teaches. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to the channel and remember to click the bell to always stay up to date. Please also join us on our Discord, linked in the comments, and check out our other videos if you ever want to see what else we've been up to. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.